So today we're gonna introduce ourselves. My name is Safa.
My name is Ras Basil.
My name is Muhammad Hafiz.
My name is Boas.
So today we're going to interview foreigners or tourists. So we're gonna start right now.
Enjoy. What is your name?
My name is Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Yes.
Alright. Where you live in Batam?
No, I live in Singapore, but currently I stay at the hotel nearby here.
Oh, okay. I have a question.
Okay.
What is your motivation to visit in Batam?
Because I heard Batam things here is quite cheap lah, rather than Singapore. Because as you know, in Singapore everything is very expensive, right? So I came here. A friend of mine suggested me to come here. Yo.
Right. Okay. Next question. How many destination in Batam that you have been visit?
How many destinations that I've been visit? Well, normally I just explore here the mall at the Grand Batam. Then earlier this afternoon I just came back from the cafe not very far from here. I think they are selling cheese tart if I'm not wrong. It's called Itsumo. The cheese tart is nice.
Alright. Last question, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything you think Batam could improve to make it even better the tourists?
What Batam need to improve?
Yeah.
I think the cleanliness
Okay.
all over here, because as you see, we live in Singapore, everything is very clean, right? But every time as far as I walk here, I see all the rubbish at the street. That's all.
Thank you.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Hafiz.
Hi Rafiz, hello.
So what do you think about, in your opinion, what is the biggest difference about your hometown and Batam?
Everything's here. In here, everything is so cheap. In Singapore, everything is so expensive. In here, I don't know how to count lah. Especially in your money here, a lot of zero, right? In Singapore, we are very easy. $1, $2 here, 10,000, 100,000 rupiah, right? Singapore very expensive. Here, very cheap.
So that's the difference. So what do you think about the people in Batam?
I think people in Batam, I saw a lot of people wearing hijab, yeah. Wearing hijab, right? Unlike in Singapore. And I think the hijab style is also a bit different. Also, what else? I think really that's all. Oh, in here, people tend to care a bit more about other surrounding, unlike Singapore.
So what do you think, like in Singapore, what's place in Batam that they most visited?
Come again?
In Singapore, people of Singapore is like come in here quite.
What they like to do in here?
Yeah, like what they do in here.
Normally, we as a Singaporean, we always either go shopping, go massage, or seafood. Yeah.
So Singapore in here like go to seafood restaurant.
Yes, because in here, seafood is very cheap. Yeah.
Thank you. That's all it.
Where do you come from?
From India.
From India. On what
South-
part?
South India.
The northern or the southern?
South.
Southern. In what city?
From Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Provinsi Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay.
Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Greetings. My name is Safa Zapasa. We are from Senior High School 20 in Batam, which is located in Legenda. So we want to interview about Batam tourist destination. So first question is this your first time in here?
That is the first time I'm from 2008.
Actually,
From 2008 I'm here.
oh, you are from 2008 in here. So where do you live?
16 years, 17 years plus.
17 years in Batam.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm staying in Dutamas.
Oh, you live in Dutamas. Is
Dutamas.
in senior high school? It's near from
Near
Dutamas.
Dutamas.
Yes.
Okay. The near Polytechnic.
What is it?
The near Polytechnic. One Polytechnic is there, right?
Yes. Okay. So the second question is that how many places or how many destinations did you visit in Batam in the past 17 years?
I go to all beaches.
All beaches. Oh.
Then Capri Coral.
Kepi. Oh,
One of the beach.
Yes.
Then Vietnam House.
Vietnam House
Yeah.
or the Vietnam Village.
Vietnam
Yes,
village.
in Barelang, right?
Yeah, near Baralang.
In Barelang. The third question is that what is the first impression? What is your first impression when first you come to Batam in 2008?
Food,
Food.
Indonesian food.
The food is very delicious or
Delicious.
very delicious.
Very delicious.
Can you rate it in 1 of 10?
Ayam penyet,
Ayam penyet. Please rate it.
Dan nasi goreng,
Nasi goreng.
nasi padang,
Nasi padang.
especially sederhana.
Rumah makan sederhana, right? Yes.
Sederhana, I think 70 to 80% same as Indian food lah.
What is it?
Indian food.
Indian food, like curry, like
like
curry.
curry.
And what else? Indian food in there? Beside curry.
That Indonesia, these three is best. I'm like, not only me, my wife, my kids.
Okay,
Compared to
the
pizza,
what is it?
compared to pizza,
Pizza.
nasi padang is good.
Still better than
Yeah.
pizza, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I don't like pizza, but I like nasi padang.
Yes. And the next question is that what do you think the people in Batam the first time you come in 2008?
So mirror, like mirror. If you smile, they also smile.
Oh, so we are.
Yeah.
You think that we are kind, right?
Yeah,
Very kind.
very kind, very kind.
What do you think that Batam needs to improve from its destination?
Now compared to 2008, now so much of improvement in Batam.
So much has improved.
But only the traffic lah.
The traffic.
Traffic means many person they not follow the rules.
Oh yes, of course. Even the motorcycle does not follow the lane in the pathway. Yes, yes.
Pathway not like
Yeah, they cross in the car pathway. That's
even red also they pass it.
yes, yes.
Especially that one bill Allah.
Oh, in Palmville, yes.
Very traffic.
Yes, I agree with you. Especially in Batam, there is no culture
Less awareness.
yes. There's no culture to raise a horn.
There is no horn. Here no horn.
Yes, no horn.
No horn. Zero horn.
Zero horn. Okay, thank you very much. The last question is that how will you rate Batam in 1 of 10?
Say again.
How will you rate Batam in 1 out of 10?
I cannot answer your question. Sorry, I cannot understand what you asked.
How will you rating Batam? Rate Batam in 1 to 10.
1 to 10. 1.
1.
18 years I am here. How can I give 2 or 3, 4?
Oh yes, I understand that. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.
1. Indonesia. 1.
1. Thank you.
Not 2, not 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention.
Good evening, my name is Cedric Basenturi. Want to interview tourists in Batam. So, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, I want to ask you some question. What do you think about people in Batam?
About people in Batam, maybe it's kind of different from my hometown in Singapore. Maybe all people in Batam is very good in service, very kind, and maybe very more humble in Singapore.
Okay. Before that, have you been visited Batam before?
No, this is my first time in Batam.
So, what destination have you been visited in Batam?
So yesterday I visit Barelang. So Barelang is remind me to Golden Gate Bridge in America. Is connecting about island to island, and it's already in different city from Batam and Rempang.
Oh, would you rate Batam tourist destination from 1 to 10?
Maybe because this is my first time and not very much destination I already visit, so I will take about 8%.
Oh, so that's your rating from Batam.
Yes, that's my friend.
Okay. Thank you for the video and good evening. Bye bye.